Good day, everyone. Alice here from Software Financial Network. Today is January 17, 2023. Here's S&P daily chart, and the market had like a pause day today, and we had a very nice upside. But look at that. So we just mentioned it before, 4014. That's gonna be a very nice area for the top, and market just retracing all the way up to here and then pull back. A sharp pullback came down and finished the doji bar. It's kind of like a dragonfly doji there, or gravestone doji there, but it doesn't matter in any way. Market just closed in a pause day, and I think market is topped. If you look at the momentum index, so momentum wise, we are pretty close to the crossover. Still not crossover, but in overbought condition, very stretched, and looks like we are getting close to the crossover area. And for the RSI as well, so we are in a very important level. So look at that. Whenever we hit this line or this area, market just retracing back down. So this time could be exactly the same. And MACD as well. So it's kind of like overstretched. MACD sloping down, and everything like indicator wise, price action wise, everything, even trend line, everything technically tells us that market is getting ready for another sell-off. Probably this sell-off is coming, take out this pivot low here and going all the way down to here to 32, 3400. Still, I'm looking for this. Again, it's not going to be sharp sell-off all the way to here. Probably it is the case, but it's going to be like a zigzag sloppy going down. I expect market will have like a stop here, probably in 35 to 3660 and also 3687. Still, I'm looking for this line. Just let me just move it just to the right, and still I'm looking for as like a bounce or choppy this area, especially when we are getting to this one. Lots of people, I'm seeing lots of people are telling about a breakout or something like that. So when everyone is getting bullish, I'm kind of would be in cautious mood and sitting on the other side, just because when everyone is getting ready to jump and is staying in one side of the boat, I will go to the other side of the boat and wear the safety jacket. So this is the case. Everyone is saying probably this is a low and lower low, and we are getting close to the breakout, and breakout is happening, and probably we will have a nice rally to the upside. Probably that's going to be the case, and probably I'm wrong. But based on any analysis that I'm doing, I come up with a January 18, which is tomorrow, to January 22 would be a topping formation for the market. And probably this market is showing kind of weakness all the way through to the March through 23. And if you have a look my forecast for 2023, I just put a link here, and that's going to be very important video. I think all investors, traders need to see that market in 2023. I went through all different cycles since 100 years ago, coming up today, and coming up with today's prediction for three different indexes: Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq. All right, so again, so just sit tight. If we see a high reversal tomorrow, that's gonna be a sign of the reversal probably for this market, especially when we are seeing uh, uh, this nice hidden divergence. And for the hidden divergence, if you go with, again, I don't want to get too much into the detail, but if you go with Fibonacci level, so we are getting close to the reversal area. It's not there yet completely, but 69 to 78%, that's going to be the golden area for the reversal in the hidden divergence. And the ultimate targets would be 27 to 50% extension, which is coming exactly to this double bottom, kind of like a similar double bottom formation, pretty close to this institution wide range bar. Okay, going to hourly chart, let me just go to the hourly chart. So for the hourly chart, we are again getting close to this 4014, and 4014 was like a huge area for me. Like based on this is gonna be the nice area. This wide range bar, sharp back test to the upside and then coming down. So again, 4014 is coming from exactly the price action, nothing else. And we just came up to 4014, 4015, sharply coming down. Still, it doesn't give me a very nice sharp sell-off signal, but if we are getting below this, let me tell you, if we are getting below this line in future market or anywhere, we are going to test this pivotal point, which is around 39.80, and that's going to be a sign of weakness for the market. Probably we are getting back all the way down to 39.11 or so. So just be careful on that. Sit tight, wait for the price action and see how it goes. Moving on to Nasdaq. Nasdaq had a good day, like a very nice positive day. However, when all indexes are getting close to the area, to the reversal area, we should be careful and we should be cautious. So Nasdaq is getting close to my reversal area. This is a nice formation of head and shoulder. It's kind of like a double shoulder, triple head. It is not a classic head and shoulder, but it is very similar pattern for a shorting opportunity at least. Nasdaq is fulfilled 78% Fibonacci for the hidden divergence, if you want to just mention it. And here's the level that Nasdaq doesn't show hidden divergence. So MACD wise, it's not there, but Fibonacci wise, we are pretty close. Especially stochastic is getting to the overbought condition, stretched to the upside, and pretty close to the reversal point. And if we see a reversal is coming down, which is very possible in the next 2 days, just because the next index that I want to cover is Dow Jones. And Dow Jones is giving warning signal to all the other indexes as well. We will get to that one just a bit. Stay tuned. For the daily, moving on to the hourly chart. Here's the hourly chart for the Nasdaq. We are pretty close to this area, nicely breaking up to the upside, but fail to hold up, and we are getting back below this pivotal point. Still holding up pretty well, but getting weaker and weaker. And when momentum is coming down, the divergence is showing very nicely, especially in a stochastic, in RSI, and also in MACD as well. So look at that. So here is the between these highs, divergence between these high, another divergence. So between three highs, we are seeing a divergence in three indicators at the same time. Also in higher time frame, which is daily, shows us reversal is coming. And also if you want to just be patient, if you want to just focus on that one, go to the Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily, this is the area that I was pointing out, especially last week. If you follow up my video, I told you, hey guys, we are getting close to this area and I'm looking for reversal. Nicely, Dow Jones confirmed that reversal happening, lower high, and probably we are going all the way down to here. If we take out this pivotal point, which is very possible, so that's going to trigger a double top formation with a lower high, and Dow Jones just came down 1% today. When the other indexes, S&P was flat, Nasdaq was high, so this is a nice divergence between all indexes that I'm following. And you know that since the beginning of this bear market, Dow Jones had the best performance among the other indexes. And when Dow Jones reversal, this tells me that market probably will have to follow the Dow Jones. And right now, Dow Jones is coming down again today ahead of the market, ahead of the other indexes. And if it has a follow through tomorrow, then we should see Nasdaq is following as well, and it's coming down. So going to hourly chart. So here's the hourly chart. Nicely, we are getting down to this level, and probably it's going to be consolidation, forming a bearish consolidation for another spike down to 33,295 to 33,300, which is kind of like this pivotal area, and coming to this demand area. Let's see how it goes, but ultimately I'm looking for Dow Jones to break out this trend line to a lower low, probably in months of March. We will see that. Again, if you haven't seen my forecast video for 2023, make sure watch that one. I just provided the link at the beginning of this video, and even in description down there you will see the link as well. So all in all, we should wait for another pullback for all the other indexes, especially technology would be leader again this time. Earning is coming. We had bank and institutions earning today. Morgan Stanley went up, Goldman Sachs went down sharply. So, and also this week would be option expiry for the first quarter for the first month, sorry, for the first month of 2023, which is for January 23. So all in all, lots of institution game playing happening, and earning for the technology is coming for next week's. So volatility will pick up. Stay tuned. First quarter would be very, very interesting, but after March, I would say market is getting back to the rally. Again, watch that video, the forecast video, and everything is explained there. Okay, I think I wrapped up everything. If you have got any question, please put your question down below and smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.